Yes guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. Right now I'm making some curry shrimp guys, and I ain't even making a video, I'm just doing this one exhibition. Didn't make no seasoning, I'm gonna just upload this one as it is. So guys, yes, this is some curry shrimp, Jamaican style. Yes guys, I use my regular seasons. I use green bell pepper, red bell pepper, um, orange bell pepper, some my easy spice Jamaican curry, my regular season that I use guys, and I make a curry shrimp quick and fast, easy with some white rice, steaming. Yes guys, quick and simple, easy menu I made, and I just want to give you guys a video because I have a couple video coming. Here's my white rice. Yes guys, I have a couple video coming, and I just want to give you guys a video. Yeah, so I'm gonna just upload this one right as it is, no editing, just normal like this guys. So